Are you tired of manually answering thousands of customer inquiries that you receive every day? Then this video is exactly what you need. Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am back with this new WhatsApp chatbot which I have created to automate product inquiries for my store. And in this video, I will show you this WhatsApp chatbot, and this WhatsApp chatbot will help me answer my customer inquiries, and it will also help my customers to buy products from my website. And to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we will operate on three simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any user will send it any message, then this WhatsApp chatbot will reply to them automatically on my behalf. Now I will take you to my screen, and there we will see a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. Hello everyone, here on my screen you can see this is the flow of a WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate product inquiries for my store. Now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. So for that, I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here I just have to send this particular keyword hello. After that, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this welcome message. Hey there, thanks for messaging Goodwill Store. I'm your shopping assistant here to help you check products, prices, and place orders easily on WhatsApp. Please choose an option below. You can see I have got these two different options: view catalog or talk to support. So as I want to order from this particular WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this view catalog. After that, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot has sent me this list. So I will open this list, and these are all the products that this particular store has. So as I want to buy this particular dress, so I will select it and I will send it inside this chat. After that, you will see that this bot is asking me for my name, so I will quickly enter my name inside this chat, and then I will send it here. After that, this bot will ask me another question, and here it is asking me to tell them the size or color that I want, and you can see this is the format in which we have to send this particular message to this particular WhatsApp chatbot. So I will copy this format from here, and then I will make some changes inside this, and then I will send this particular size and color inside this chat. After that, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot is asking me how many units of this item I would like to order. So I will enter the number inside this chat as 10, and I will send it to this particular WhatsApp chatbot. After that, this bot is asking me for my delivery address with pin code. So I will enter my delivery address, and here I have entered my address and I have sent it inside this chat. After that, you can see this bot is asking me for my phone number, so I will also enter my phone number inside this chat. And after that, you can see this bot has sent me this message, almost done Jay. Now please choose your preferred payment method. Now you can see I have got these two different payment methods: cash on delivery or pay online. So as I want to pay online for my order, so I will click on this pay online. After that, you will see that this bot has sent me this payment link. By clicking on this payment link, I can pay partially to confirm my order. So and then I have to type down the paid just below this particular payment link. So first of all, I will click on this payment link and I will pay for my order from here, and then after I have paid for my order, I will just type down this particular keyword paid inside this chat, and I will send it in here. After that, you can see it has sent me this message: we are confirming your payment and you will receive further details as soon as we confirm the payment status. And here I have also received this confirmation message: order placed successfully. Thank you Jay, your dress. You can see this is the dress which I want to order. This is the particular size and color, and this is the quantity, and this is the address which I have provided to this particular WhatsApp chatbot. So you just saw how easy it was for me to book this particular dress for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business. So to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, we will go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and after pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And here on the right corner, you can see we have got these two different buttons: sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on the sign in button. But before that, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of of over 20,000 members. Here individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for that you just have to check out the link that I have pasted in the description box of this video. And now, as I am an existing user, so I will go back on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and here I will click on this sign in button. After that, I will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button. After that, you will see that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and you can choose any of these 2 different methods, WhatsApp connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to go on the description box of this video. We have added link of separate videos there. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a flow for yourself, you have to click on this flow given on the left column here, and from here you have to select this flows. And inside this flows, you can see these are all the flows that I have created for myself, and this is the flow that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So as I am about to create this exact same flow with you guys, so first of all I will deactivate this earlier existing flow from here, and then I will click on this add flows button to start creating a new flow. After that, you can see now this trigger button is visible to me. So first of all, for this trigger event, you can see I will click on this drop down. These are all the trigger events with the help of which I can kickstart my WhatsApp chatbot. So from this list, I will select this particular trigger event, keyword or regex match, and you can see by selecting this trigger event, I can either kickstart my WhatsApp chatbot with the help of some keywords, or I can enter this regex inside this particular box. So this regex stands for regular expression, which is a universal code which we can use to extract some particular keywords from a paragraph. So I will enter the regex code inside this particular box. So here I have entered this regex. With this, our trigger is all set. Now before moving on our action step, I would like to share with you that inside my flow, you can see this is the flow that I have created. In here I have also added this API request, and with the help of this API request, all the responses that I have given here to this particular WhatsApp chatbot will get sent to my Pabbly Connect account. And inside my Pabbly Connect account, you can see I have created this workflow. With the help of this workflow, all the details that I capture from Pabbly Chatflow, I store them as a new row in my Google Sheets. And if I will show you my Google Sheets, in here you can see these are all the details that I have given while ordering that particular dress for myself. And here these details has been added as a new row inside this Google Sheet for better follow-up and management. Now I will go back again on my Pabbly Chatflow account, and first of all I will give a meaningful name to this WhatsApp chatbot to automate product inquiries. And now we will move towards my first action step. So for that, as I want that whenever any customer sends me any keyword on my WhatsApp chat, I want to send them a welcome message. So to frame a welcome message, I will use this simple text button, and I will drag it in here. And first of all, I will connect both of these following circles to make sure that this particular text button follows this particular trigger. And then inside this enter message box, I will enter this welcome message for my customer, where you can see I have wrote down, hey there, thanks for messaging Goodwill Store. And just below this particular text message, I will add 2 different buttons for my customer to select from. So here I have added these 2 different buttons inside my welcome message, view catalog and talk to support. Now we will set up these buttons one by one. So first of all, let us set up this button, talk to support. So to frame this from this action features here, I will drag in this ask question button, and after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter this question for my customer. And you can see I have entered this message, please type down your query below and wait while we are connecting you to our support team. And just below this particular message, for this contact custom field, I will click on this drop down, and you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. So from here I will select this particular custom field queries which I have created to store the queries given by my customer, and for this format I will select it as any. And now you can see as the second button is all set. So now we will work on this particular button, view catalog. So first of all, I want that whenever my customer clicks on this button, view catalog, I want to send them a list of all the products that I have in my store. So to frame a list from this messages here, I will drag in this list and I will drop it in here. And first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then I will enter the body and footer inside my list. So here I have added this body and footer inside my list. Now to add a section inside my list, I will click on this add section button, and first of all I will give this name to my section as this products, and then inside this particular section I will add items for my customers to choose from. So as I want to add 4 different items, so that's why I will click on this add items button 4 times, and then I will scroll up, and first of all I will create my first item. So for the title of my first item I will enter this particular keyword handbag at the rate of rupees 14.99, and inside description I will enter this particular text cash on delivery available. So you can see I have successfully created the first item of my list. Now just like this I will quickly add all of my following remaining items, and here I have successfully added all of the remaining items inside my list. You can see the first is this handbag, second is summer dress, third one is this sneakers, and the last is this wallets. Now I want that whenever any customer selects any of this product, then I want to store their choice, so that can be made possible with the help of this set custom field. So I will drag in this custom field inside this window here, and first of all I will connect both of these following circles, and from this drop down of this contact custom field I will select this particular custom field product which I have created to store the product selected by my customer, and inside this enter value box I just have to copy this exact same text from here and I will paste it inside this box. And here with this I have successfully created this contact custom field for this particular item handbag. From now onwards whenever any customer will select this particular option for themselves, then automatically this bot will remember the selections made by them. And just like this I will quickly add contact custom fields to each of my remaining items. So here I have also added contact custom fields to each of my items, and with this now whenever any customer will select any of these following products, then this WhatsApp chatbot will remember this selection. Now let me show you how you can also create such contact custom field for yourself. But before leaving this window I will advise you to click on this save button to save your workflow, otherwise all the work that you have done here will get lost. And as our workflow is saved successfully, so now I will click on this settings, and from here I will select this particular field contact custom field, and in here you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. And to create one more field I just have to click on this button add more field, and then when I will type down the name of this particular field and click on this save button, and after that our field is saved successfully. Now I can access this contact custom field inside my flows. So you can see this is the flow in which I am working. So inside this flow when I will click on this contact custom field drop down, you will see that this particular XYZ contact custom field is visible to me to select from. Now I can use this particular field if I want to. So this is how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. Now moving forward, just after this particular selections made by my customer, I want to ask them some questions. So to ask questions, I will drag in this ask question button from here, and then inside this enter message box, I will ask this particular question to my customer where I am asking for their name. And just below this question for this contact custom field, I will select this particular contact custom field full name which I have created to store the name given by my customer. And for this format, I will select the format as text, and inside this enter number box here, I can enter the number of attempt which I want to give to my customer. But for now I will skip this. Now first of all I will connect all of these following circles with this particular question button, and then after this question, as I want to ask 4 more questions to my customer, so that's why I will again drag in this ask question button, and then I will copy this ask question button 4 times because I want to ask 5 continuous questions. First one is already I have framed, and these 4 I have here set up. Now let me connect all of these following circles. Now I will quickly fill up the messages inside each of these question buttons. So here you can see I have successfully framed all of these following questions, and also I have added this contact custom field inside each one of them. Now just after this particular question, I want to send a message to my customer. So for that I will drag in this text button, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this message for my customer where I am offering them to choose their payment method. So you can see here I have used this $sign and this full name contact custom field, and with the help of this I can map the name given by my customer. So just below this particular text I will add 2 different buttons in which I will add 2 different type of methods like pay online or pay by cash on delivery. Now here we will work on each of these buttons one by one. So first of all let us frame this button pay online. So for that also I will again drag in this text button, and after connecting both of these following circles I will enter this particular message inside this box, and you can see in here I have also added this payment link so that my customer can pay for themselves by clicking on this particular particular link, and just below this particular text button I will add this button paid, so that my customer can inform me when they have paid successfully for their order. So here I have added this button. Now whenever my customer will click on this particular button, then automatically I will verify and then I will send them another message. So I will frame that message later, but let me first work on this cash on delivery button. So I will drag again this text button, and now inside this message I will enter this particular message. You can see here I have entered this message, got it, you have chosen cash on delivery, click below to confirm. So that's why just below this particular button I will add this button confirm. So just below this text you can see I have added these two different buttons, confirm and change, so that my customer can click on this button confirm to go on with their choice, or they can also change their payment mode. So I will connect first of all both of these following circles, and then I will connect this particular change button with this particular text button. Now whenever any customer will click on this change, he will automatically get directed back on this particular text button. And after that you can see if my customer clicks on this confirm button, then after that I want to send all of this data to my Pabbly Connect account. So for that, from this action features here, I will drag in this API request. Now first of all I will connect this particular confirm button with this API request, and then I will connect this paid button with this particular API request. Now we will create a workflow inside my Pabbly Connect account, but before that I will click on this webhook URL box, and from the select drop down I will select this particular post. After that we have to enter a webhook URL inside this particular box. So to get this webhook URL, I will open this all apps page of Pabbly, and in here this time I will click on this access now button of this Pabbly Connects box. After that you will see that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and in here I will click on this create workflow button to create a workflow for myself. And for now I will select this particular new beta version, and then inside this dialog box I will give a meaningful name to my workflow as this automate product inquiries for your store. And from this second drop down here I will select the particular folder in which I want to store this workflow, and then I will click on this create button. After that you will see that this trigger button will get visible for me. So to help you better understand how this trigger button will work, let me explain my objective for today's video. So today I want that every time I receive a new data from my Pabbly Chatflow account, then automatically I want to store that particular data as a new row in my Google Sheet. So for today I will take help of an amazing feature by Pabbly Connect as my trigger, which is this webhook by Pabbly. And then for this trigger event I will select this particular catch webhook because I want to catch data from Pabbly Chatflow. And then when I will click on this connect button, you will see that automatically I have received this webhook URL. So I will copy this webhook URL from here, and then I will go back to my Pabbly Chatflow and I will paste that webhook URL here. Now I just have to enter this key and select this contact custom field, and here I will select only those contact custom field which I want to send to Pabbly Connect. So first of all I will click on this box, and you can see at first as I want to send the product selected by my customer, so I have selected this contact custom field, and now inside this key I will just type down this keyword product, and you can see here I have successfully added one key and contact custom field. Now I will quickly add all of the contact custom field which I want to send to Pabbly Connect. So here I have entered all of these following details. Now I will click on this test button to send a test response to Pabbly Connect, and then I will click on this save button. After that I will open my Pabbly Connect account, and here you can see I have received this webhook response. This means that my trigger step is working all fine. Now I will move towards my action step. So to add action step I just have to click on this plus button, and from this box here I will search for my action application Google Sheet, and I will select it from here. Now inside this application event I will select this event add new row. Then to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, I have to click on this connect button. After that you can see I have got these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. So if I have already added my connection, then I will go with the select existing connection, but if I want to add a connection for the first time, then I will go with this add new connection. Now to show you how you can add a connection for the first time, I will go with this add new connection, and then I have to click on this sign in with Google, and here as I have already logged into my Google Sheets, that's why Pabbly Connect has detected it. So from here I will select this particular email which I want to connect with Pabbly Connect, and then I have to click on this continue button to grant access, and there is no need to worry as your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. And here our connection is created successfully. Now you can see this is the Google Sheet which I have created. So I will go back, and inside this select spreadsheet box I will click on this drop down to select that particular sheet which I have created to store the data that I receive from my customer. So here I have selected this particular sheet, and here, as I have already created one sheet inside my Google Sheet account, you can see there is only one sheet. That's why Pabbly Connect has automatically detected it. And here you can see all the fields that I have created in my Google Sheets like name, phone, product, quantity, address and variants are successfully captured here inside my Pabbly Connect account. Now I just have to fill up all of these following fields one by one to complete this workflow. And to fill up these fields, I will take help of mapping. So first of all, to map the name, I will click on this box, and then from this drop down here you can see this is the name. So when I will click on this, and here the name is mapped successfully. So just like this, I will quickly map all of these following details. So here I have successfully mapped all of these following details. Now I just have to click on this save and send test request button. But before that, let me tell you, I have added all of these fields with the help of mapping, because by mapping I have made all of these fields dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will change them automatically. But if I would have typed them down manually, then that would have remained static and it would have not changed unless we manually change it. So that's why I have took help of mapping to fill up these following fields. Now I hope that you have understood mapping. So now I will click on this save and send test request button, and with this you can see all these details have been added as a new row in my Google Sheets. So let me show you. Here this is my Google Sheets, and you can see these are the details that I have mapped there. So these details have been added successfully in here. So from now onwards, whenever my chatbot will receive any product order, then automatically those details will get added here as a new row inside this sheet. So now I will go back to this Pabbly Chatflow account to complete our workflow. So after this API request, for my next action step, I want to send a confirmation message to my customer. So for that, I will drag in this text button, and first of all, I will click on this add content, and I will again click on this text button. Now I will quickly enter the message inside both of these following boxes. So here I have also added this messages. This means that with this I have successfully completed the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will save this flow from here, because otherwise this WhatsApp chatbot will not work properly. And then we will go on my WhatsApp account, and there we will check again if this WhatsApp chatbot is working properly or not. So I will open my WhatsApp account, and then inside this particular chat I will again send this message hello. After that you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this welcome message. Now I just have to interact with this particular WhatsApp chatbot to buy any product from their website. So this is how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to clone this flow, then for that I will paste a link of this flow in the description box of this video, so you can clone this flow from there. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.